Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of exciting. So, backstory. At the beginning of the year, I kind of was like, I'm going to do like a no buy year unless XYZ. And I broke that for this video. Well, I didn't do it for the video. I just did it and now I'm telling you about it. So I think I did pretty well. I did have to get a few things for my surgery, but as far as like actually like shopping for clothing and shoes, I haven't really done that at all this year unless I had to like replace something. And I'm really proud of myself. I was able to last like 6 months. We're in July, but it'll be August by the time you see this video. So I made it for over half of the year without purchasing shoes and clothes and accessories for myself. And I'm really proud of it. But I clicked into the link for the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale and I got myself a few things and I wanted to share them with you. Here's one package. They come in 3 different packages. And these guys have been sitting at my front door. That's like, I don't have like a specific place in my house that is like just for like me to like do this type stuff. So, it sits pretty much at the door on the little bench. Anyways, here's one. There are 2 things in this specific package. I hope they fit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a black pleated skirt from Open Edit. So cute. What size is this? This is a medium. I hope it fits. Oh man, I hope it fits. So cute. I don't have a black pleated skirt, so I'm really excited about that. And you will notice the theme. This is basically one outfit. I did get 2 pair of shoes. The shoes could go, either one of the shoes could go with the outfit. But yeah, it is basically an outfit. Okay, so this is a Key Australia sunglasses. Oh, so cute. Now, I have multiple pairs of the Key Australia sunglasses that I have been wearing. Oh, so cute. I don't have any like this brown color. So I've got like black that fades into clear, and then I have black that fades into like a pink clear, but I don't have any brown. Oh, look, it goes with this shirt. So cute, so cute. Okay. And the next package is much bigger. It's got 1 item in it. Oh, I'm so excited. I love jackets. Jackets and coats. Even though I live in Florida, I love having a large variety of jackets. I really feel like you can take the same outfit and wear it on repeat and change the outerwear and the shoes and totally change the whole vibe of the outfit. That is where this comes into play. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Let me take this wrapper thing off. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Now, this is a long dress coat from Ralph Lauren, and I got a size 12. Their sizing is a little different than your like small, medium, large, so I had to look at their size chart. And normally I like to size up for outerwear. That's just like a rule of thumb I've always kind of followed. And their large was a size 12, I guess. Get this unbuttoned. Oh, that is nice. I love this little patch. So cute, so cute. I don't have anything like this. Oh, so fancy. I hope it fits. So then I guess the other little pieces are in this really big box. I probably should have thought about the recording of this and like the placement, because this box is as big as me. Here is one of the things in the box. And it is a bodysuit, black, of course, and it's rib material. Oh, that's so low. Oh, that's the back. I was like, that's so low cut. Okay, this is the bodysuit. It's a high neck. It's got kind of a low back. Oh, and there's no little clips. Okay, to use the bathroom. This is from the brand BP. The material feels really nice and it's double lined. So I got this black bodysuit to go with the black skirt and the jacket. Sunglasses. Are you seeing the vision? I also got a necklace. This is from Open Edit. And I think this was targeted marketing towards me because I saw this on the model and I was like, yep, I'm getting that. So this is like a stack of 3 necklace. You've got this like woven braided one. You've got like a little strip and then you have the chain. And this K can be removed and put on either of the necklaces. I'm going to try to show you how they have it back here. So you can put it on either of them. So cute. And here is one of the other big items, which is why the box was so big. Now, I haven't bought a pair of boots in quite a while. These are Mark Fisher, and I don't have any like this. Oh, they're so beautiful. My God, that looks huge. Is this the right size? It's the right size. It's a 7. Look at this. It's your traditional classic black boot. So the black boots that I have, I think are like over the knee and they're suede. And then my black leather boots, I think they're Michael Kors, but they're flat. So I don't have any heels, like heel boots like this. So now are we seeing the vision better? The black bodysuit, the skirt, the wool coat, and the leather boots. Oh, so excited to put this together. I've got one more piece to show you that kind of goes with the outfit. It could, but it's just something just because I wanted it, basically. Oh. I found these on the Nordstrom website. They were not part of the sale. I just really wanted to add to my collection. I kind of want to do like an unboxing, a TikTok or something. But here we go. We've got the Christian Louboutin dust bags. Oh, yay! I'm really wanting to add to my designer shoe collection. Oh, it's a 37. Oh, I don't know if that's the right size. These might be too small. But I got a pair of simple black strappy heels that are somewhat of a lower heel, that are not 4 inches. But these are so cute and will literally go with everything. Last year, I got my Mary Janes and I wear them all the time. The ones that I have that I don't really wear a ton are the pointy toe pumps. I don't wear those a ton. They kind of squeeze my toes just a little bit. But I don't even know if these are going to fit because this is a 37. I think I got the wrong size. I'll have to check into that. Let's hope they fit.